Today, I am reviewing the HP Essential 17.3-inch HD Plus touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I've spent the last few weeks putting the HP Essential 17.3-inch HD Plus touchscreen laptop through its paces, and I have to say, this machine is a masterclass in providing desktop-level productivity in a portable format. When you first unbox this laptop, the sheer scale of the 17-inch display is the first thing that grabs your attention. It is increasingly rare to find a laptop that offers this much screen real estate without feeling like a heavy brick, but HP has managed to keep this design remarkably sleek and manageable. The centerpiece of the experience is undoubtedly that massive 17.3-inch touchscreen. In a world where 13 and 15-inch screens are the standard, having this extra room feels like a genuine luxury. The HD Plus resolution at 1600 by 900 pixels provides a sharp, crisp image that makes multitasking a breeze. I found that I could easily snap two windows side by side and actually read the text in both without squinting. The touch responsiveness is fluid and intuitive, which adds a layer of accessibility that you do not always see in this price bracket. Whether I was scrolling through long documents or zooming in on high-resolution photos, the screen felt snappy and reliable. Under the hood, the performance is where this laptop truly shines. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, which features 6 cores and 12 threads. For the average user, these numbers translate to a device that simply does not lag. I tested this by opening over 20 browser tabs while simultaneously streaming a high-definition video and running a background virus scan, and the Ryzen chip handled it all, without the fans kicking into high gear or the interface stuttering. The base frequency of 2.3 GHz is plenty for daily tasks, but it can boost up to 4.3 GHz when you are doing more intensive work like photo editing or heavy data processing. What really sets this specific configuration apart from the base models you might find at a big box store is the massive memory and storage upgrade. This unit comes packed with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM. To put that in perspective, most modern laptops ship with 8 or 16 GB. Having 32 GB means you essentially never have to worry about running out of memory. You can keep your email, your Office suite, your music player, and your creative software open all day long without the system ever needing to refresh a page. Paired with a 1TB NVMe solid-state drive, the boot times are practically instantaneous. From the moment I press the power button to the moment I am at my desktop, it takes mere seconds. The file transfer speeds are equally impressive, making it a dream for anyone who handles large video files or massive libraries of photos. The keyboard and input options are another high point for me. As someone who does a lot of typing, the inclusion of a full-size backlit keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad is a game changer. The keys have a satisfying travel distance and a tactile feel that makes long typing sessions comfortable. The backlighting is subtle but effective, which is perfect for working in dimly lit environments like a late-night flight or a darkened office. Security is also well handled with the integrated fingerprint reader. It provides a quick and secure way to log into Windows 11 Home without having to type in a password every single time, and it has worked flawlessly every time I have used it. Connectivity is robust, featuring Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. In my testing, the Wi-Fi 6 connection stayed rock solid even when I was on the opposite side of the house from my router, providing the high-speed internet needed for smooth video calls and fast downloads. Speaking of video calls, the HD webcam features temporal noise reduction, which significantly improves the image quality in low-light situations. My colleagues noticed a clear difference in my video clarity during our morning meetings compared to my older laptop. The bundle even includes a Thunderbolt ML101 wireless mouse, which is a fantastic addition. It is ergonomic, has silent buttons that are perfect for shared workspaces, and tracks accurately on almost any surface. It saves you the extra trip to the store and ensures you have a complete workstation right out of the box. Running on Windows 11 Home, the interface feels modern and optimized for the touchscreen. The new window layout options make it easy to organize the massive screen space, and the overall performance feels snappy. If you are a student, a professional working from home, or even a casual user who wants a powerful machine that can replace a desktop computer, this HP Essential 17.3-inch laptop is an outstanding choice. It balances power, screen size, and modern features in a way that feels premium and reliable. It is a workhorse that looks great on a desk and performs even better under pressure.